Men can like pee
What
they
is
shouldn't
unfair?
pee anywhere, but if the toilet
They do.
but they shouldn't
They do though.
exactly.
Yeah.
But if the toilet is dirty, that's so awkward position to squat and because you don't want to touch anywhere. And
Exactly. I can't even imagine a man complaining about this thing. Yeah. I mean,
dirty
they
toilets.
do, but
yeah, but why?
we don't count. We don't count. You don't know what we go through.
Hygiene product.
तो लड़के भी जज होते हैं.
That's true.
Oh God. Hello विजय. अच्छा तुम आज मेरे रूम में आओगे मुझसे मिलने? Oh God, it was so cute. Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Shivali.
And I'm Ashwita,
Welcome back or welcome to our pod Borderline Firangi.
where Shivali and I walk you through our life in
You
London.
always forget your cue.
Guilty.
We are learning, guys. We are learning.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
again, take.
Chalo.
So where Shivali and I walk you through our life in London and while comparing our chaos back in
India.
And today's episode is International Women's Day episode special. So
Yes.
if you are like us,
Strong, independent, beautiful women,
living in London,
then you owe us and you have to watch it till the end. Like, subscribe,
and share.
If you're a man, then you owe us too and watch it till the end and like, subscribe and share. But then yes, this is going to be a Women's Day special. We are going to be talking about feminine things, the lighter ones, the scarier ones, the heavier ones, whatever. But we'll try to keep it short because if we start talking about it, it will take the entire day and we're not going to stop at all.
Yes, exactly.
So we'll try to put it in within an hour. Let's see. Okay. So how do we start?
Yeah, because there's so many points
know.
we can touch base. So let's start with. Let me ask you a question. How have moving abroad, especially to UK, have you learned to embrace your womanhood more gracefully, more elegantly, or how do you feel about it now?
I think I do not shy away from being a woman now,
Okay.
which previously I used to not shy away as such. I think it's an age thing as well that I was like a girl that who used to say I'm not like other girls till I think 22, 23 and whenever other person used to say me like something like this, I used to take pride out of it. But it's not coming. Then I aged and realized that being a woman is the best thing and feminine energy is so important. And after coming to the UK, why I realized it more because I did not have many female friends. That time I realized that how important a feminine energy in your life is, and then probably living here alone, being independent, I think I have become a stronger person.
Yeah, absolutely, because that's so interesting. If you have a male friend, if they are not as good or they are not, you don't connect with them that well, it's fine. You can always ignore them in the group. But if you don't connect well with your female friends, or if one of the female friend is a bit snobbish, then you can't.
Yeah,
really,
you can't live in peace.
No, you need that feminine energy, good feminine energy around you, and I believe most of the time it's a good feminine energy.
Yes.
And
with this age, the women in our age,
and
when we realize that when we are away from the men, I don't know, grooming us.
Era.
No, grooming is not the word. I don't know. I mean, when we stop idealizing men, because growing up in India, it has been like that. Men being the authority figure.
Yeah.
XYZ issues, we know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you talk too much back in India, you were tagged as a tomboy.
If you are into sports, if you have short hair.
Yeah, and if you're talking too much, like if you're talking loudly, if you're talking too much, I used to get that a lot.
बदतमीज भी तो होते थे.
बदतमीज तो हाँ है ही, वो तो अभी भी है. But then the tomboy, I didn't get that word, and it was till very late in my life also, like in my previous job, people were calling me tomboy.
Tomboy in the job as well.
Yeah, imagine like you're in a mid-20s, you are starting to embrace your womanhood. You like
That's so
and then people are calling you tomboy, and I'm like, no, I'm expressive. I speak my mind. I'm not.
So because of that, they used to call you tomboy because
Yeah,
you are
because
not shying away from
No,
expressing your opinion.
Yeah, because then they have to. Because if you're a girl putting your opinion, you have to be some kind of a boy. So you're a tomboy, which
Okay.
was so
Wow.
strange and weird. That's what I thought, and it was such a.
Such
like
a
a derogatory word.
It is a derogatory
And then-
word. It is a derogatory word.
Yeah.
Because it's always like that being a woman, there are certain rules or certain criteria that a woman has to be this way.
Yeah.
If you are not filling into that criteria,
or, yeah.
yes, then you are tomboy, you
Yeah.
are, I don't know, chunt and whatnot.
You're
And it
rude,
starts
you're
from
chunt.
everything. I mean, not only behavior, your body language, your everything is. Girls do not sit like that. ये तो मतलब मैंने बचपन से सुना है, इतना सुना है. I mean,
How am I supposed to sit? Like,
I mean,
the funny thing was, on two-wheelers, you're not supposed to sit like, you have to sit one-legged and not cross-legged. Why?
Why?
I'm wearing jeans.
अरे
I'm not
साड़ी
wearing
के
a
लिए
sari.
पहन
हाँ.
होता था वो.
तो मैं क्यों बैठूं ऐसे? Like,
that's
it's so strange.
I don't know if is it that उसके लिए भी tomboy बोल देते हैं क्या?
हाँ, मैं तो बाइक चलाती थी, उसके लिए भी टॉम्बो. ओ देखो बाइक चला रही हूँ मैं. गैरी तो है और क्या है.
That's
I mean, because see, scooty is fine because there is no gears, and bike there is gears, so it's very
apparently
complex now.
gender is
stereotype.
defined by
Yeah. So because it's
gears.
it's very complex, you can't ride a bike because it has gears. So now you're a tomboy. I'm like, okay, fine.
That's so stupid.
But anyways, let's touch base on.
Let's switch on the lighter ones. We'll come to the
Yeah,
heavier
heavier
ones because we can run the entire day. Let's come to the lighter ones. After coming to the UK,
Yeah,
what were the girls' struggles? Not the safety and all.
Yeah,
We'll come to that later.
yeah,
What
yeah.
were the girls' struggles?
Yeah.
As in makeup,
I mean, yeah, a
kapdo,
lot.
sizes, and all that. I don't know. Guys might have faced a similar thing in sizing and stuff, but I think for women, we are more peculiar about many things, and
Yeah.
we kind
Yeah.
of face. And there are differences, you know. So what do you think? What did you
पहले
have?
तो I think eyebrow threading was
You
very
know.
difficult to get.
नहीं, यहाँ भी तो होती है, but
हाँ होती है, but not every salon offers that. Sometimes they
Yes.
wax it, so I was not comfortable with
fair,
waxing.
yeah.
So yeah, like grooming bit. Then every time I get this, like I hate hair are mostly straight, or if Indian women hair are if they are straight, and if they are too dense, they are always like, oh, your hairs are.
Oh
hair are
yeah,
too
yeah.
dense
That's a struggle I'm still
Yeah.
facing. Yeah. Go on. Yeah.
yeah,
Sorry.
so I'm glad you're facing the same
Oh
struggle.
yeah. The other day, because now I know. So every hairdresser cannot cut your hair.
No, they.
And I'm very particular about this thing. I'm very particular if I'm going to spend इतना सारा पैसा. मेरे बाल अगर खराब हो गए ना, I can't live like that. So it was now I know who can cut my hair, and I go to those people only. No, some time back she cut the hair properly. She was nice, but she just said your hair carry a lot of water, and sometimes when they blow dry, they get tired because of that.
Okay.
Because of the thickness.
Okay.
Yeah. They don't complain, but this kind of
Yeah,
things I keep on hearing because of that. And every hairdresser
Touch
cannot.
wood.
I
If your hair shouldn't go bad, like we are complimenting our hair, then we should.
I'm not complimenting. I do not like my hair texture because you might have seen I do a lot of this thing hair
Hairstyling,
styling, and
okay.
I know the pain because it takes so much time. And I've seen people with like thinner. I like people with thin hair
Because
which is
it's easy to style, yeah.
quick. That's why. And again, because of this being thick, and I most of the time keep the hair like short. Because of the density, I keep. If I do not style it, I look like a little girl because it's
Okay,
a
yeah, okay, I got it.
So all these reasons I do not like my hair, but yes, hair struggle has always been a thing.
Yeah, that is a thing. Then lip shades.
Because of our skin.
Yeah, the skin tone, and sometimes matching foundations was a struggle. I've now I have one foundation and color that suits me, and I do not change it.
Yeah, and
That was
yes,
there,
and the
yeah.
lip shades to
Lip
yaar,
shades to is a
it's so
struggle.
tempting although.
Yeah, I still get my lip shades from India most of the time.
Do
because
you?
here,
Okay.
yeah, I mean, there are very few shades I like in that tone. Nowadays, they still have improved. I
They
think,
have,
because-
but then it's hard to find.
and
yeah.
it's so what I do now is I don't want to take names. I don't know if I should, but जो भी colored लोग हैं, like Rihanna's brand or Selena, I think they are doing
They
a
are
good
doing
job.
a better
So
thing, yeah.
I think that's a plus for them, because I know if they are launching a product, it might match my
Yeah,
tone.
that's
So
true. That's a good.
that's
that's a good observation.
And one of my other friend who's also African, she's also mentioned that we both were same. Oh yeah, it's very hard to get our lip shades and skin color
Yes,
tones.
true.
So we both go for those products that
Yeah,
are
that's
being
true.
like launched
Yeah,
by
yeah,
a
yeah.
colored person. So
Yes.
that's a good win, and I found it really helpful with. So I straight away go to those brands. I am, but that's
Yeah,
that's
but it's not. It's like for like the Caucasian skin, it's you can find it like literally anywhere. For a lip shade, you can go to Boots and get a lip
Yeah.
shade. For us, we have to go to a proper store and find the shade. And it most of the time it's not even available.
yeah.
Yeah, that's also a struggle. It's not even available.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a struggle.
a struggle.
Anything else?
And I think, but coming to UK, I have embraced my styling, and I don't shy away from styling new outfits or new hair, like color my hair or makeup, because it doesn't come straight away as a criticism from anyone. Because in India, every time I would style something differently, there were people just commenting upfront on it. अरे मोटी लग रही है, पतली लग रही है, छोटी लग रही है, काली लग रही है, गोरी लग रही है, ये लग रहा है वो. I mean, you don't have to comment. I mean, you don't have to even compliment, but you don't have to comment. अरे आज blush ज़्यादा हो गया, अरे आज lipstick कम हो. I'm like, here,
So you will
no
never
one
be a
comment.
You will never be perfect.
No, yeah. And the best thing is, no one will compliment you here, and no one will even comment.
They
you.
let you be.
Yeah. and
They let you be, and
they
that's
won't
the best
highlight
thing.
your like flaws, or I mean, they might compliment you, but I'm fine if you don't compliment me.
Exactly, exactly.
So I think embraced more freedom in that sense, that I can try anything and fail at it, or I will feel great, or either I won't feel great in that. But
Exactly.
that's my choice.
As
That's
long as
not
you
like-
are feeling good,
Exactly,
everything is
yeah.
allowed.
So
That's the
thing-
basic civic sense. That's the actual civic sense.
Exactly. So I think that I have embraced a lot here.
Yes, and I think basic thing is, as long as, for example, if you have a spot on your face, like kuch kachra laga hai, then I think only then I have the right to comment. That saaf kar lo. If the person cannot fix it like then and there, then the other person has no right to comment,
Yeah.
because they already know. They are already seeing the mirror every day.
Yeah, yeah.
You are no one to tell them. It's a basic thing, but then
And also men get it so wrong कि एक तो men, they shouldn't comment on anyone's makeup, right? Makeups or hairstyling or something. But then they argue like, oh ये सब हमारे लिए ही तो करते हैं.
oh, get a life, man. Huh.
I have like we
Narcissistic
have
much.
yeah, and
Yeah.
even यहाँ पे भी मुझे लगता है most of the men might think that
No.
it's just
I mean, I
they
think
might
it's
tell you
the
that.
generation. It's the
Maybe.
boomer men used to think like that.
Even millennial भी करते हैं
Millennial तो
थोड़ा.
बर्बाद ही हैं, वो तो worst है.
Maybe अभी Gen Z ना
Gen
करते
Z
हो.
guys, I'm
But like
feeling
when-
they are better.
इवन यहाँ भी मुझे ऐसा कभी कभार लगता है कि यार ये ऐसे बोल रहे हैं कि ठीक है, बट
Men are the same everywhere.
आई एम लाइक ये मेकअप हमने हमारे लिए किया.
हाँ, they think that everything is being done for them. For them. And have they
then-
looked at themselves?
Exactly, and then they have right to comment. So that's bizarre.
That's so stupid.
But I love I love being a woman, and
Oh yeah.
I think there's no other way. I don't want to be a man or
I
anyone
can never
else
be.
in-
I don't think so. No,
Yeah,
no,
no.
no, no. I mean, it's
It's just so
only thing is you can walk around in the night.
Yeah.
If you are a man,
oh yeah.
that's the only plus.
That's the only plus.
Yes.
And it's a sad world that we can't not that we can't, but it's a sad world sometime. I feel we are still in this modern times. Still we have to think about, you know, like walking alone at night in like stranded
World
streets.
isn't-
But it's
World is a bad place, and
Yeah,
it's not beautiful in these cases.
yeah, and
No,
it's so unfair.
because
like,
of men.
it is becoming a man bashing podcast.
My favorite. Yes, but then let's move on to the lighter
Like,
ones.
yeah, we stick to that.
What else
So,
do you have?
let me-
I think waxing one I also had. Yeah, waxing one I also had that over here. Which I like now, that you don't have to be very precise. I think we talked about it
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
fashion
yeah.
episode as well. And you don't have to be extremely precise
Yeah.
about body hair. So that's why I think waxing culture. It's here, but then it's, first of all, it's expensive, and second, it's not available everywhere. Like
Yeah,
India में तो दीदी लोग तो घर पे भी आ जाते थे ना.
Yeah.
Urban company, Urban Club
Urban
used to do that. So yes, that is there, and I think makeup also we have discussed. Sizing as well. I found that the sizing, clothes sizing, I think अभी तो इंडिया में भी global brands are.
I think so. For me, I've always been a bit on the not even plus size, like not a skinny girl. I was always like a bit plump girl. India mein I couldn't get my size at all. Like,
Oh, is it?
yeah, I mean, obviously, unless I go to big brands, but it never suited me. And somehow, XL or double XL in India, here is very small size. Like here, I think it's maybe they have normalized it or what, but here if I go 8 or 10 fits me. And I'm like, why is small size fitting me? That's also,
So in India, it didn't used to fit.
I
you?
think India mein sizes बहुत अलग हैं. I mean, if I, so
Okay.
if I'm S
maybe
here,
I don't know. I cannot recall now.
Yeah, if I'm S here, I'm XL there.
Huh?
हाँ,
कुछ भी. Then what about a XL here?
वो तो आता ही नहीं है. It's too big for me. That's, I can't understand why is it that.
No,
Till
no. What
date.
about the XL person here? What will they do in India?
Triple XL, 4XL.
Which are not even available
In
readily.
regular, yeah. In India, generally the sizes are very small. You notice even now if I go, I think I have to size up like L, XL. And
Okay.
here earlier when I came here, I was buying L, XL, and then it didn't. It was very loose on me. And then I realized no, the sizing are quite different here.
That's a weird thing. I have not noticed, but maybe, yeah.
Maybe because here I have not done a lot of street shopping or like in
Shopping
big
यहाँ कहाँ होती
brands.
है?
अभी इंडिया में ज़ारा H&M में बहुत टाइम से गई नहीं, सो आई डोंट नो उनका साइजिंग, बट यूजुअली इट्स यूएस, यूरो, यूके, राइट. अब इंडिया में मैं क्या पहनती थी मुझे तो अभी रिकॉल
याद ही नहीं है मुझे. That's why probably I cannot even contribute. I don't
But
know.
that was one thing.
Although if you guys have any input on that, on the sizing, then
Yeah.
please comment below, because I think we are like getting lost in our memories.
Because it's like so back in time.
Yes. One more point I had was period products. So period products, I remember. So when I came for the first time, I went to buy. Somebody told me you won't get pads there. You only get tampons there. And being a
Okay.
millennial girl, for me, using
yeah,
tampons was a tough thing. I did not use
Dude, and we
previously.
shouldn't even use that. Tampons are a bit.
I do not use it, but then I don't know. People use it. People like it. So
I think there's a shock syndrome that can be introduced.
What?
Yeah, you don't know.
What is that? Please enlighten
Okay,
us.
so what I've read, it's one in some 100 cases or something that, so you insert the tampon, right? So sometime what happened, there's like a shock syndrome that can basically can paralyze you basically.
What?
Yeah.
How?
I think I don't recall it. Maybe we'll have to read it up.
So yes, period products. I was told that you won't get pads, so take a lot of pads. अब logic क्या था कि मतलब next time India travel करने तक मैं उतने pads stupid. But then I brought a lot of pads. But still, when I saw in the stores here, you get pads, but then most of the shelves are filled with tampons. So that's a strange thing. India में tampons नहीं दिखते. Till date, I think tampons होंगे. I'm not saying नहीं होते. But then till date, if you go to the stores, again, when
I think it's a monopoly of Whisper also. Whisper and Stay Free. Right?
I think the monopoly is here. Always pads. Any other
Yeah,
pad I have
always.
not
Yeah,
seen.
yeah, yeah.
Always
Correct.
brand.
Always, yeah.
India में तो बहुत कुछ है यार. India में तो there are many.
अभी मुझे तो याद नहीं
At least
आ रहा है.
Whisper and Stay Free, at least two I can say.
Two.
If I'll say you now, I have started seeing an ad like recently, couple of months back, a new pad company, and I mentioned also, wow, now they are bringing another pad company. Otherwise, always, if you see, only one brand is there, always.
There's also
Always,
now
always.
yeah, always. There's also चड्डी वाले pads भी हैं आजकल.
Yes.
And have you seen this pee cup? I don't think so.
Menstrual cups?
No. Menstrual cups तो है ही, but I'm diverting from the topic. Pee cups.
What is that?
You hold it like penis,
And then
then you can pee it. So basically, if it's for hygiene purpose, if the toilet is not good,
Oh.
how do you pee, right?
Where
have
do you
to
get
the spot.
it?
I think it's available online. So you hold it like so you basically insert and hold it like a penis, and then you can pee. Anyway, so
I don't
many
know.
things.
I don't think so. I'm good about that. Interesting. Yes. So
But
yeah.
that's another thing. Men can like pee
World
they
is
shouldn't
unfair.
pee anywhere. But if the toilet
They do.
but they shouldn't.
They do though.
Exactly. But if the toilet is dirty, that's so awkward position to squat and do because you don't want to touch anywhere. And
Exactly. I can't even imagine a man complaining about this thing. Yeah. I
dirty
mean, they
toilets.
do, but
yeah, but why?
we don't count. We don't count. You don't know what we go through. Yeah.
Sorry,
So,
coming back.
yes,
To
so
period.
yes.
I've been diverting today. Sorry.
Yes, period products. Yes, so the tampon thing which I saw, and yes, monopoly of the brand always. That reminds me of when we used to buy pads previously in India, and the shame and the black wala polythene में
Black
देना.
पन्नी में, हाँ.
And today I don't know, in India also I just carry it like that, but here it is so easy. It is on the display on the stores now. It's on the display on the stores in India as well. But I'm sure किसी भी age में यहाँ पे वो black bunny syndrome was not there.
Not there. तो नहीं
Yeah.
था. Because it's वही है ना कि यहाँ पे mall culture है, so self service है, you go buy or
No, I'll tell you the mall culture ka story as well. I clearly remember. I think I was in college that time. I used to study in Visakhapatnam, and it was Big Bazaar or something. And I bought a lot of these pads. And in this billing counter mein, there used to be guys taking out your saman and putting it
Yeah,
in the
they
bag.
wrap it up
So
for
when he was taking the
pads.
pads,
Yeah.
तो I got pissed off. हाँ क्या हंस रहे हो आप? तो I said तो हाँ और इतना बड़ा, he was not a little kid, but he was a young boy.
19, 20.
Yeah, something like that.
You never know, maybe child labor.
No, yeah, you don't know. वो भी तो common है. But then what was there to laugh about? I don't know. So even in the stores as well, those kind of stores as well.
Medical store.
Yeah. In medical store में और बाकी shops में तो they give you the cover and all of Kali.
Even buying daru from Theka was so.
Buying daru from Theka, being a girl.
Being
oh
a girl
God.
was like.
It used to be a rebel act.
Exactly.
First of all.
और ये मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि क्या एक तो वहाँ रहती नहीं थी लड़कियाँ और आप अगर if you walk towards that, everyone will start staring
You
like.
will be the center of
ऐसे,
attention there.
अरे?
Yeah. और सबको पता रहेगा कि मैं क्या मांग रही हूँ, because सब तो यही सुन रहे हैं ना, ये लड़की आके क्या ले रही है.
अच्छा.
हाँ. और अगर वोडका की जगह विस्की ले ली,
अरे
impress भी हो जाए.
but exactly. And if you're buying the
just
alcohol,
disgust me physically, man. Yeah.
and they'll be like, oh, she's so cool. Like need है भाई need. So there are a lot of stereotype with this product.
Yeah, that
also
much,
if
yeah.
you're buying condoms, if you're buying any
Condom
hygiene product.
तो लड़के भी जाजे होते.
That's true.
Oh God. So Varun Grover's stand-up I was watching, there was a bit when he told that India being such a, like, India had Kama Sutra and stuff, and then it's such a sex-shaming country. If there's a shopkeeper and there's a man standing in the shop and another man came and asked for a condom, all of a sudden सब एक दूसरे को नंगा imagine करने जी ये मांग रहे he's an adult.
Yeah.
A condom.
Ulta, I'll be so proud. Thank God, save sex.
सुन condom
But
तो यार
yeah.
let's वो तो क्या human सारे human shame हो रहे हैं इंडिया में. यहाँ पे तो यार यहाँ पे तो they put it like toilets में भी रहता है.
Or pop-up shops, like I told.
Oh yeah,
in
pop-up shops.
If you haven't watched our Valentine's episode.
Yeah.
अभी तो बंद हो गई होंगी pop-up shops. The Valentine week
अब
is
गए
gone.
वो रंगीन वाले. Anyway, so
Also,
that yeah.
No, sorry, we-washed. Have you used that
We-wash वो तो
product?
इंडिया में भी होता है.
हाँ, इंडिया में होता है, but if you go buy on a medical store, भैया we-wash दे तो भैया would be all blushing.
I pill.
हाँ. Like for eye pills or anything.
For buying an eye pill, you have to be like. मेरे को याद है, there was a flatmate. She was married. She was married and what? She wanted to buy she was married, but she got married and she was moving to Australia. कुछ तो था. In that period, before she moved, she was still living in the house in our flat.
Yeah.
So I think she wanted a pregnancy test or something. She went to the store. She made sure to put sindoor on so that she will not be judged. Not a very shy person she was, but still, because of the culture and she was feeling weird that let's do that just for the sake of not being judged.
Yeah.
So that is
लड़के
so
तो नहीं पहन के
bizarre.
जाते हैं मंगलसूत्र.
तो pregnancy test भी तो वो नहीं देते. That's again.
वही ना.
Yeah. So but this is
But yeah.
yeah. So that reminds me of another thing. Pregnancy test से gynec visits. Gynec visits in India and gynec visits here. Do you have any different? Have you noticed any difference or?
Yeah, so
what?
for my gynec visits in India, so if they want to ask if you're sexually active or not, they'll first ask you, are you married?
Yeah. Because
Because they can't.
वो उसके बिना तो possible ही नहीं है.
And
Puberty, going to
Yeah.
marriage.
are you married? तो पहले I was, and actually at I think 20 or 21 I was struggling with my periods, so I went to gynec because my periods weren't regular. So I went to gynec. I told her, and she wasn't like in my family or something that वो मुझसे sexual active है कि नहीं वो पूछ सकते. She never asked me कि तुम sexually active हो नहीं. हो सकती हूँ ना अभी 2021 में तो हम.
अच्छा मतलब okay. अच्छा
think-
just because you're not married ऐसे कैसे फिर?
हाँ मतलब उसने ऐसे पूछा ही नहीं कि ठीक है बस इतना है. टोल्ड पीरियड का प्रॉब्लम है ये वो. इट कुड बी रिलेटेड टू बट उसने
be related
पूछा
to
नहीं.
anything. But yes,
देन क्योंकि मे बी शी हैज अज्यूम्ड कि अरे ये तो नहीं होगा सेक्सुअली एक्टिव इफ शी इज
हमारे
नॉट
घर
मैरिड.
was your relative you're saying?
No, she wasn't even.
She wasn't still still
Yeah.
she didn't ask.
Yeah.
So she did not ask you, was saying, which is very weird. I have many gynec stories. So I'll compare. इंडिया में once वो पीरियड का प्रॉब्लम होता है सब एक पॉइंट पे सबको होता है. सो आई थिंक आई वाज नॉट 2021, आई वाज लाइक 24-25 उस टाइम पे मैं गई तो. एंड इवन आफ्टर दैट बिफोर मूविंग हियर ऑल्सो आई वेंट. तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यूज्ड टू बी अच्छा तो if you're not are you married, and if you're not married so when are you planning to get married, because you might need to like rush so that if you're planning to
kids.
have kids so time भी तो होना चाहिए ना 1-2 साल. First of all, did you ask me if I want kids? Fine. No, you just assume that I want to be a mother. I think मैं अभी भी लोगों को बोलती हूँ कि I do not want, तो people get surprised and stuff, but being a doctor you should not be asking
is
these kind of
judgmental.
questions. And then if you say you are not married, that time I did not have that vision, I did not know, I did not have that clarity that I want kids or not, so I didn't say that I do not want. I just said I'm not married, so plan first, plan the wedding soon. अरे भाई तुम
लड़का तो लड़की लड़का वो भी नहीं पूछा.
कुछ भी. और अरे मेरे को पसंद कौन है ये भी पूछना. There can be many things.
Exactly.
Maybe I'm into
लड़का
girls.
लड़की क्या है कुछ
Yes. So पहले
Yeah.
तो वो ज्ञान they'll give that get married. And once I remember, I was late. Okay. And getting late and irregular periods for a few months. I went to the gynecologist. So nurse होती है ना, she asked what is the problem. Late period. जाओ pregnancy test करो. What? And then in that clinic, there were all pregnant women with their husbands sitting, and I was the only girl alone, being
Forced to take pregnancy
being forced to take pregnancy test. उसके बाद में this है ना, कुछ बिना सुने, and you are the nurse, you didn't even examine me. पहले तो ये test होगा तुम्हारा. Okay, and then I went to the doctor. Pregnancy test के बाद. What the hell? And then few months back I went to the gynecologist here. They suggested me कि thyroid or hormonal test is करवा लो. So I went to a private one. It was a male doctor. Fine. The first question he asked me, everything came okay, and he examined and everything was fine. The question he asked me, do you want kids? Instead of when are you getting married? If you are not married, when are you planning to have kids? So it's a very little difference. But then, and nobody shamed me that pregnancy test kara lo and all that question. They simply ask, are you sexually active or this and that, instead of asking,
Just
are you
putting,
married
yeah,
or what not. And
because
so
this
yes.
I remember one more thing here that was very like I felt very good is one time I was having high fever and I was vomiting and I had diarrhea, and it was during COVID time. So
Okay.
I had to call emergency services. They did came. And because I was vomiting, first they check if there's blood or not. They did all my blood pressure, etc. And he just politely asked, is there any chance you can be pregnant? I'm like, no, I don't think so, I'm pregnant. Okay, fine. And obviously my husband was there and we know it. And he was like, okay, maybe we can take a pregnancy test, because I'm like, I felt so proud because I could never say that, oh, I just had my periods 1 week. Because I felt like a doctor and a
the comfort
patient
with which you can talk about these things.
And I immediately said, oh, because I just had my periods last week and I haven't had any sex after that.
Yeah.
So he was like, okay, maybe we'll just take a test for the
Just
safety.
in case, because sometimes periods can be an implantation thing.
But
as
he
well, yeah.
did say it looks like a stomach infection or a COVID because that was also.
Yeah, fair.
But I felt so good. I was immediately able to say something, and so
The comfort.
clearly.
It's the comfort, yes.
And also the best thing is they get the pap smear test here done
I was
every
going to
3
mention
years.
that.
Yeah.
I was going to mention that, and it was so.
Which is so important.
It's so good about it when they do that. Are you feeling okay? It'll just pain a little bit, and they're so gentle about it. Yeah.
And also because the NHS has mandated to do I felt it's in
a very
India
good
also
thing.
it should be mandatory now. Like.
Totally, I don't know.
But how will you follow up? Because here you get a
You
test
get the NHS
every
thing is there.
3 years. So
And spreading awareness with such a big population, and
Yeah.
that to female related issues awareness.
it's still a taboo.
I think 25 to 30 more years to get into that. But anyway, any difference have you seen in the corporate culture here or in India?
I think corporate में I think women in tech तो काफी struggle करती ही हैं in general. I think even in struggle as in both working in India and here. I think in India they do take you lightly most of the time. कि हाँ ठीक है चलो ये बोल रही है क्या बोल रही है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे luckily my colleagues are really sweet because I was like in a transitioning phase. You work in a different culture. You come here first, and me as a person, I first start observing everything. But they were very sweet in terms of culture, so I fit into the culture. But still, I sometimes feel if it is a male dominant industry.
It is.
And
definitely.
you have to pull up your chair into the meetings to make your point.
Absolutely,
Still, I
that's
think,
being a woman.
yeah,
but,
which I did face. But I do sometimes feel because I was like growing up, I was a tomboy. Like I do have my opinions, and I don't shy away anymore to give them.
Yeah.
But
okay.
I do sometimes feel, I do sometimes observe other women who are not very open. They do get a bit sidelined, which I feel.
Here or in India
Here
or
also
everywhere.
and in India
I think
also, both.
that is the global struggle.
Global struggle, yeah. I can't differentiate.
Completely agree. Completely agree. The difference I feel is I am more comfortable being myself here, especially not inside the office. I know it's male dominated and everything. Outside office, I personally in India have suffered from this thing that I used to be like people used to perceive me as being very forward. They used to slut shame me
Culturally,
because of
yeah,
that.
definitely. Yeah, India is much more. If I
Slut
talk
shame
about
me, and then the friendships and what kind of people I talk to. The next thing is you are being slut shamed or you are being like perceived as very open. So over here it is like if I'm doing that, nobody at least judging my character. What
yes,
they do
yeah.
is you have to fight more. That is being a woman
yeah.
in a male dominated
Yeah,
industry. But at least one thing I did not see here is at least in the non-office, in the official setting, but outside office, outside
for
meetings,
like official dinners
office parties, lunches or something, you can be yourself. You don't have to think that if I say this, I'll be perceived as an easy girl.
Yeah.
So that's the comfort I felt. At least this is the easier part for me.
Yeah.
India में तो I was so like परेशान थी मैं उस चीज से, and it's not only me. I think every other girl, every third or fourth girl might have faced a similar thing.
That's why I didn't hang out with my colleagues in India, because I knew like mostly I've only hanged out with girls in India.
But I used to do that being unaware, and then you are being perceived like that, and if you are going to a party and if you stay for longer just because
even
you're
if you're
having a good
drinking.
time. Oh, that's what I was not bringing the topic, but yes.
Yeah.
You will
I didn't had like just because I know someone will see and perceive me and like that I denied to drink at any of the office. No, I didn't drink because I knew how it gonna look and end. And anyways, I wasn't a heavy drinker that time. Anyways, I wasn't in my life anytime.
Yeah.
But then
anyway,
I did
socially
not,
also, na yaar, ek do
but
bhi liya.
that was like my line I drew because of.
That's so sad that no man is thinking about drawing these kind of lines.
But we have to think.
So yes, this is the difference I have seen in corporate culture. At least you can be yourself. You can say things what you want to. Of course, fighting for your rights, fighting for your position, putting your point. That's a global struggle.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
But yeah, culturally I hear you. Yeah, that also I felt. I thought you were asking about official.
No, I didn't mean that.
But yeah, I completely agree with you. That is also my take on the cultural side of work.
Yes. Similar 100%. To that, I think it's an official culture. Similar to that, how was you when you came here? How did you find making friends being a female?
In official setup?
No, in anywhere, like official setup mein, non-official setup mein.
I think I mean
finding female friendships because male friendships so chahiye bhi nahi the.
Because earlier I used to live in a shared flat with all women in India, and now when I moved here, I moved with my husband. So suddenly I felt that urgent need, like I would dress up and you need some kind of. Oh, is my hair okay? And it's so natural with girls. You just share. Is my dress looking okay? कहीं से कुछ मतलब कहीं से कुछ ऊपर तो नहीं आया? Is dress correctly or not? ये drape अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? That and this.
अभी इनको क्या पूछें?
अभी क्या okay ठीक है. Luckily हमको शायद ऐसे लड़के मिले जो criticize भी नहीं करेंगे ज़्यादा.
करते हैं, useless करते हैं. I asked my partner this thing कि यार ये तो मैंने पहन लिया ज़्यादा. हाँ, अरशद वारसी लग रही है. See? थोड़ा तो मुझे when you were insight and और तब मुझे लगा भी यार ये अभी बाहर होती तो मैं इसको पूछ लेती.
हाँ, exactly. हाँ. And then there's certain kind of comfort in
And
that.
you see if it is looking bad, you would say it. You would
Yeah.
not say अरशद वारसी लग रही. अभी मैं इसको क्या बोलूँ? फिर मैंने बोला कि say if it is looking bad, if it say bad.
हाँ.
नहीं ठीक लग रहा है.
Exactly. कुछ तो proper
It's still
किए
in
दो.
my head. See, I brought this.
नहीं तो कुछ और ही मतलब ठीक है अभी इसको क्या ही drag करें.
Yeah, but this is just an example.
Yeah, so I missed that and immediately I concluded you need that feminine energy around
absolutely.
you.
And
Just grow like.
not only for that, you need, I think, women are so like they have a certain level of empathy that a man cannot have.
Yeah.
I don't know, they are not empaths. So
And I understand women much more now. Like if someone is not in their vibe, I immediately don't judge them. I'm like, yeah, something is going on with them. That's why they are probably a bit difficult or fuzzy
yes,
right
yes,
now.
yes, yes.
But that doesn't. Sometimes it just so sad. Just people quote girls like, oh, she's so difficult to handle. No,
I want to be a difficult person.
you
to
don't
handle.
have the capability to understand certain emotions. That doesn't mean they are difficult. Like we are not difficult at all.
If I want to be a difficult person, आजकल तो मेरे में हो गया है. If someone is getting pissed off, I'm happy. At least now I'm able to piss people off because I have been such a people pleaser in my life. So if someone is getting angry at me, I'm happy. At least I have the capability. Other than making my parents angry at me, someone else can get angry at me. I'm okay to piss people off. Anyway, so yes, now I think I have some not so funny and light topics because we were avoiding that just to keep the pod light. But I think there are few things which we can discuss moving from India to the UK. Plus and minus, it could be anything because men are everywhere and
safety concerns
are everywhere. Of course, in India, we all know the problem of male gaze. We all know how horrible it is, and especially in northern India. Us coming from central India and living, and both of us we used to live in Pune, which is comparatively a safer state or safer city. Mumbai and Pune are safer and better. So we have not faced, of course we have faced, but not like what stories we have heard from the friends living in NCR and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what I have also faced when I have traveled. But so let's not get into that. India wala to yaar pura din nikal jayega.
Yeah.
If you have faced anything in the UK, anything positive as well, or anything negative.
See, I think in London the most positive thing is because of the commute situation. I am confident traveling even at late hours.
Yeah.
If especially in central London because the tubes are very crowded, people are still in their senses most of the time. They are drunk but still in their senses. And I feel like drunk people can be scary, but you just kick them and they can just fall off.
Exactly.
So so I think the commute situation gives me some confidence, but safety concerns are still lingering around in my head. Be it like theft or catcalling.
Theft hai, but then that theft is not women centric.
That is
theft
also
यहाँ पे UK में it's not women
but
centric.
But also like physically we are not as big as men. Like man can fight back with a big man. हम तो कुचले जाएंगे यार. I mean, which is very. It's not about courage. Even if I have courage, even if I have bravery, क्या करूँगी मैं अगर मेरे को कुचल ही देगा तो? So I have to run away from that situation. It's not like I don't want to face it. But anyways, but safety issues तो यहाँ भी मुझे लगते हैं. The best example is in TFL, the posters of sexual harassment has a poor girl sitting in the corner.
There's no explanation needed for this.
Exactly. And it does that, like my eyes does go on that poster every time and I do note the number and I do know the number.
So have you seen that Ask Angela thing as well? Angela. Which is a good initiative.
Maybe you need to tell people who don't know about
so Ask Angela is in most of the restaurants, pubs. So basically anywhere you can go on a date with, there's a possibility of people coming on a date as such. Ask Angela is a code For example, if I'm on a date with a guy and I'm not feeling comfortable, but I'm not also being a people pleaser or whatever, I'm not feeling comfortable enough to leave the situation because I'm also scared that I can be followed back or whatever. And sometimes you get a bit tipsy and anything can happen, and if a woman is watching that, they'll
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
So there's a code that I can go to the bar, or I can tell the waiter, just say I'll say ask Angela or Angela word, and they'll get to know and they'll rescue you. So it is, although it has not happened, but with us, with me, or with any of our friends, but I'm sure this might have happened.
Yeah.
Something might have happened. That's why they came up with this thing.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll tell you one positive and one negative story. Ask Angela is a positive one itself. A negative thing, what happened when I moved here, the very first month I went to visit one flat, and it was a Sunday, 11 o'clock morning, and it was kind of a main road. I was walking, but you can figure out when a person is new and when they're figuring things out by looking at the camera
Maps.
Google Maps, maps, and trying to figure out which street I had to go. I was walking and there was a homeless guy standing in front of me. He was drinking beer. What happened when I went nearer to him, he just like jumped in front of me, and what he did that he jumped in front of me, and then he acted as if he is trying to like lick something. And then I was so scared, I just ran away from there. When I turned back, I saw he took his pants out as well.
Oh God.
So it was so traumatizing, and it happened in UK. So if people are coming, I'm not trying to scare anyone, because this is the one-off case. It has not happened to anyone else. I know it has not happened to any one of my friends. It was just I was the unlucky one. It happened, and it took me a year to recover from that, honestly. So if by any chance if I had to go into that road, I made sure that I am not alone. It was just the trauma from that road. But then in this very same town, once I was coming, I mean, I had that town or this country has made me very independent also. Now at 2 a.m. at night all as well, if I'm traveling and if I'm coming, I'm brave enough to travel alone. I'm not scared. One very nice example is, I remember I was coming, it was midnight, I was coming from somewhere, and again it was I don't know, it was a homeless guy or what. He wanted, if you have seen people try to ask you for cigarettes here. So he wanted a cigarette, but just because I was alone, I was walking, so he just said, do not get scared, you are safe, I'm just asking you if you have cigarette, from a distance, because he knew that any girl will get scared at midnight if somebody
approaches.
So it's like person to person. He was also a man, it was the same town, and so the area was more or less the same. But I'm not saying that everywhere this is going to happen to you, but I was the same person, the town was the same, it was just two different men. So yeah, and that was the positive, I don't know, it's not a positive thing, but little thing men do, we take it as a positive sign, because
sign.
Whatever they have done till now is
I'm sorry that happened with you.
I could not tell it properly because I do not want to tell on the camera what happened,
but no, I think not very similar, not as traumatizing as you, but I did experience, like in tube, it was a very busy tube, so I felt something on my hips, like I thought, because there are a lot of bags around, something brushed once or twice, I thought it might be someone's bag or something, but then I felt like someone is touching me. So then,
oh God, that is traumatizing.
Bravely enough, I'm like, I just grabbed it behind me, and it was a hand, and I'm like, can you just remove your hand? I did shout at him.
I'm laughing, but is this, we make fun of everything, but is this such a traumatizing thing?
I'm like, this is not a bag, like, and it was like slightly, brushing.
And what did he say then?
Oh, he was just acting like he doesn't know anything, and it was by mistake. But it could be one. And here, I like that people are very apologetic, even if you touch, like,
exactly.
By mistake.
So it was not by mistake, for sure.
Even if you like kick someone by mistake, people are very and
Exactly. And us
but
girls,
this was-
we have that gift to understand when it is being done by
yeah,
mistake, when it is being
been
done
by-
intentionally.
yeah, intentionally.
So we know
and,
that.
yeah, I was like, I was brave enough to call him out, and everyone was seeing, and my station.
That's a good thing you did. That's
yeah, because then
that's
I
a
was
brave
like,
thing you
how,
did.
how am I supposed to stop this, or what?
No, because being girls, sometimes many times what we do is like we either
Ignore
freeze,
it or, yeah.
freeze, and like we want to run away from that situation. Yeah.
But yeah, it was. I did notice one time it was a daytime, and the girl was going ahead of me, and two guys were catcalling her.
Here.
Yeah, here in
Oh,
London. They were
God.
like, first I didn't understand. I thought they might know her. They were kind of scared, but she seemed a bit scared. So I just walked fast, and I was just then walking beside her. I didn't speak to her, but that was very evident that those guys were catcalling her. But then because she didn't give attention, I didn't give attention, we just walked forward, and then probably they noticed there are people around, so they just walked by. But these small thing does happen here, so it
Yeah.
is. But also there are people considerate.
So very recently something happened, and I think that's the beauty of women looking out for women. So what happened? 2 weeks back, I went to Solomon's concert, and what happened? I went with my partner, but then there was no network inside. So we just and knowing him, you know that he doesn't listen.
He'll wander
So
off.
I wanted to go to the loo, and he wanted to go to get the drink. So before I could say that we are going to meet here, he left, and it was so crowded. Okay, he left. Now I had to rush because I needed to go to the loo. I went, and when I came back, I was trying to call him. I don't know, something was evident on my face. In that rush also, a woman came and she just asked me, "Are you okay?" I said, "I'm lost." So she was like, "Let me go to the loo. If I'll come back here. If I find you, I'll see what can I do. If you find someone, otherwise stay here." She didn't know me. I ended up finding him. At least he came near the loo only, so I could find him.
Yeah.
But then, and she didn't meet me again because I left the place. But then it's just being a woman considerate for you,
Yeah.
because something might have happened with her similar way, and or she might have read my face that
Yeah.
I am troubled.
No, it is. You
That
should
was a
have
really
been-
sweet
yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a scary place, and
It's a scary
we can
place.
always support each other. Like,
That's the thing we have to do. We have to look for each
Yeah.
other.
and I also find it very sweet. Sometimes you must have noticed in tubes when people are with the heavy luggage.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I mean, even girls, they do help
Oh, yeah,
them.
yeah,
and
yeah.
I find it like very cute, and if
Yes.
so I also try and help them, but
Yeah.
it's very cute. So there are people who will help you out, but yeah, watch out for the ugly ones who are
Yes.
trying to
Yes, but I still feel safer here.
yeah, it is safer.
I can easily walk around in London at night,
At night. Yeah,
knowing that I'm fine. As long as
Yeah.
it's a crowded place, it's
even taking Uber in India is sometimes a scary
Sometimes?
business. Like,
I have
if it's
many
like
stories of
Pune,
NCR. Pune is
etc.,
still fine,
Yeah,
yeah.
but I remember even Mumbai is fine, and mostly I've lived in Mumbai and Pune. But once in Delhi, I have to take a Uber from airport to my friend's place, and all these, and it was in the morning. Luckily, the guy was also मतलब बात तो कुछ की नहीं, but डर तो लगता है. But I had all these news flashes in my head, and that's so conditioned in us because of
no, that happens also. yeah.
of the nature of
Yeah,
people.
yeah,
So
yeah.
that time I had to take Uber, and that was like duck 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 duck, and I was constantly on call with my friend, and he just woke up and like क्या है, मैंने कहा तू मेरे साथ फोन पे रह. Like okay, and he didn't deny. Okay, मैं रखता हूँ side में, just keep it rolling. And poor guy came down to pick me up from the Uber because
That's cute.
इतना डर रही थी. मैंने कहा दिल्ली है, it's very scary.
Oh, that reminds me. The other day I was watching Queen. So usme, when she went to Amsterdam and she got into the room and she saw
yeah.
guys. So one guy, the Russian guy, his name was Alexander or
Yeah,
something.
Alex.
Yeah. Alexander. So he was painting there. So she sat on the sofa and then, hello Vijay. अच्छा तुम आज मेरे रूम में आओगे मुझसे मिलने? Oh God, it was so cute. But she was from Delhi.
Yeah.
So,
Have you done that ever to pretend like you're
no, I have not.
just to avoid people? Avoid people से क्या होगा?
करा होगा but I do not remember as such. नहीं यार, इंडिया में ही करा होगा, यहाँ नहीं करा है.
Yeah.
Hello Vijay, that was so cute. But yes, I think we have talked enough.
Yeah, I think we've covered most of the part.
Yeah.
All the safety issues, all the makeup issues.
Yes.
But overall, I feel UK has given me more power
Yes,
and
yes.
more.
Definitely.
And I'm embracing my womanhood. More.
Definitely, and I think yes, it makes you feel, it lets you be,
Yeah.
and it makes you feel a bit safer.
And I do
Yes.
feel at home in London now.
I do too.
Yeah.
So with that note, thank you for watching if you have watched till here, and if you have any experiences, there might be many because we were in the time crunch. People do not watch the episodes if they are very long, so we try to keep it short. If there is something we missed or you want to share something, please let us know. Please comment, leave the comment.
Yeah. And
And,
subscribe to our channel. Happy International Women's Day.
Women's Day, and we love
can
you.
Again, bring flowers for your women in your life on Women's Day.
If they like it only, because it's a stereotype as well that all women like flowers.
Well, I need more flowers. So yeah.
No, I like it, but then it's like I can enjoy other gifts as well.
So yeah, bring her more gifts and bring me flowers.
Yes.
Anyways, take care. Bye.
Bye.